theater of magic.
Alright, today on Clark's Place, we're going to learn how to shorten pinball legs. These pinball legs are from a Super Mario Brothers pinball at Leaderboard Arcade, and I guess Cliff said that mostly kids play it, so he's got a stool in front, so I'm going to shorten them 4 legs. I'll show you how. Alright, so this is 2-inch wide tape. We wanted a 4-inch gap, so I'm basically cutting on both sides of these lines, and then I will weld those 2 sections back together. That should drop the game low enough for kids to play. So now I'm going to put a straight edge up the side of it, laying it flat on this. Should end up a good leg, minus 4 inches. Alright, this measures about 18 or 1/8 inch steel, but just for tacking, I'm going to do 14 gauge. Alright, so bead down the front and the back. That I'll just grind off flush and probably paint them green or blue, depending. Those are Mario Brothers colors, and call them good. So section all 3 of these. I'll do it on time lapse just so you can see it, and we'll be good. Alright, Pops was upset with me for using the baby one, so he's got the big boy toy now.
Just hold it. Turn it around a little more.
Maybe put the camera over there so they can watch.
Just tilt it like this.
I'm trying to see. Do I need to? Oh, that's lock. I'm holding the.
I know. I told you there was a trick to it.
I don't know the trick yet. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, that's the guard.
Yep.
That's just a holder that you could set it on a bench, I guess. Okay, there's a switch here.
Yep.
That's unlocked.
You have to, Hank, pull the trigger first.
Oh, that's weird. I thought you would pull the dead man switch.
I didn't think you were going to figure it out.
Just go right along the line there. Is this a wood cutting blade or metal?
Metal.
Alright. Oops, here. You're nowhere near the line.
Oh! See, look at the line that creates, the shadow.
The line of the
I know,
stinking tape.
I thought you had a line.
Well, we're just going to start. Let's just go 3 inches away from the tape. I mean, why do we have the tape on there?
Everybody can see that line.
We want to protect that area that's coming out. Good Lord. All right, you're okay? You okay?
Yeah, you're making me, I can't stand there bent over like that.
Well, jack this up more. Or get a chair.
I need a chair.
You silly goose.
Need a chair.
All right, get yourself a chair.
Okay. Oh, safety here.
Oh yeah, I guess I could too. We are throwing metal bits everywhere.
Yeah, they're not high speed, but enough to get in your eye.
All right, I don't like crap in my eye. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
You know where the line is?
I know where
line has been established.
Yep.
Okay.
Go for it.
Watch yourself. Put it on the base.
I did. I was just trying to get it lined up.
take a thumb clean off.
Yeah, I'm gonna imagine. Thought it was gonna be hot.
Okay, do you know where the line is on that side?
Show me. Go ahead.
You're cutting into the tape.
I know, I'm trying to get it off of it.
That's a pretty slick tool. I like that. Okay, so these guys go together.
Yep.
Let's just go ahead and get all the cutting done. Those guys go together.
Here, I'll hold it. You cut.
Why?
We'll see how good you. I want to see how good you do. Alright, I'll get it set.
We'll just cut right in this line in the middle, right?
Well, you drew it, not me.
We'll get it going.
What's going on there?
Any glasses? Boy, that is like butter. Man.
I figured with a brand new blade,
Yeah,
to
that's
cut these
awesome.
like there's nothing there.
That's pretty slick. Hey, we got some angle iron too.
We do. Those are very nice braces.
Okay. And number 2.
Took a little yellow off that.
I took a little yellow. It still goes together nice. Hey, thanks for dumping it all over my leg. Yeah, look at it all.
It was inside here. I didn't know it.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Blow it out before you put it away.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to figure it out.
These line up pretty darn nice. I think we cut it at a little angle. You can see my gap open up here a little bit.
Another thing about this, you pull the trigger and then pull here, right off here, and try to do it again. It won't. You got to start over, pull that one, and do that
Cool.
one. Yeah, it's weird. All right, I'm gonna go blow this out first.
Float it out. Okay. A little bit of a gap there. Eyeball it, make sure she's straight. That looks pretty good. Hey, take a look, just eyeball down it. Just see how straight that looks to you.
Nope. It's like the tips, and those two are apart.
Yeah, we cut an angle out of it, or a pie out of it.
Yep.
How's that look?
Yeah. Did you use your square on it?
Nah, because it kind of flares out there and flares out there. It's hard to get
Oh yeah.
a
Okay.
good straight. So just look down it, eyeball it.
It
and-
looks straight now.
Okay. Looks pretty good.
You want it on time lapse?
Yeah, we can. All right, last step.
Yep.
You're gonna grind that off. Let's see how
Always wear your safety glasses and ear protection.
It'll get loud.
What's that?
Huh? Let me situate them here. Maybe try to just hold that like right there.
Yeah, hang on.
Get safety glasses on.
These are plastic. I'm not going to be
rated for no ANSI. Let me know if you want gloves.
There you have it. You gonna do the back side?
Nope. Okay. Let me feel the edge of that.
It's hot.
I just want to see. Yeah, let me grind that edge. Just the edge of it. I like that.
Put a little paint on it, it'll look brand new.
Yeah, I'd hate for a kid to be walking by and cut himself on a boogery weld. I don't know, we might do lacquer and prep one. Yeah, if I only paint maybe like the fronts of them. I can feel it's a little rougher where,
Yeah,
hopefully the paint
will hide a lot of that.
will fill in some of that. He's ready for paint.
You don't care about getting paint on your card, do you?
No. The more paint, the merrier.
Oh yeah, that's definitely
Super Mario Blue.
Mario Blue.
We're good enough that it'll look fine on the game. I mean, it's an old game, but it's still a good moneymaker for him because every little kid wants to play Mario. And it's, well, I can't say it's a simple pinball, but
It's a simple pinball.
I can't really say that because I'm not really good at it. But it's a kiddie type pinball, but it's probably
Quarter eater
yeah, it's a quarter eater. There you go. Good call.
for kids.
How much paint you got?
Well,
Huh? All right. Well, I may hit the backside of them before I take them to him.
you have enough. Losing my finger. Getting low.
I see. Spray a little more where it's connected. I can see a little bit of scratches in there. Maybe just try to put a little heavier paint on it. The second one that one's the real culprit.
Heck, I can't even see where they were.
I like it.
You won't get the
All right,
back
cool.
of them.
Then it's done.
Let them sit. Let them dry. They look pretty good. It's like a nice leg
Yeah, little short stuffings.
in the back.
Back still shows the weld. I'm not gonna do anything about that. That's for strength purposes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna lie and tell Cliff.
Okay.
Yep. Like them.
Be nice and dry on the game. You only see the outside of the legs anyway.
Well, except the insides of the back ones.
Yeah, maybe.
You got to get under the pinball for that, and it's gonna be short. All right, cool. That's all from Clark's place.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye bye.